Walter Coding Productions is brought to you by viewers like you, so please like, share, and subscribe.
Future me here, I have a short announcement. Do you want to make your own educational video on a topic and have it posted? Now you can. Make a school appropriate video, edit it to be decent quality, try to have decent audio quality, and send it to me. Remember, this is not a Zoom archive, so the video should be done nicely. Sorry, back to the video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Walter Coding Productions video. Today we'll be covering the final rock paper scissors video and making a script that will allow the user to play rock paper scissors against the computer. First, we need to assign our introductions before the string. We do this so that the compiler actually knows what the code means and is not just a string of characters. We have iostream and using namespace std because I don't hate myself enough to not have it. We are now on the string. We need int main followed by an open squirrely bracket, or brace as I will refer to it as. This will hold our program. Here's what we need inside the string. 1. The rules of rock paper scissors. 2. The value each choice has. 3. The variables assigned to the player and the CPU. 4. A series determining the choice of the player and the CPU. 5. A random number selector for the CPU. 6. A series determining the outcome of each choices. And 7. A return statement. Firstly, the rules of rock paper scissors. We should know these, but to review, rock beats scissors, scissors beats paper, and paper beats rock. Okay, cool. Now you just have to type cout operators, rock beats scissors, scissors beats paper, paper beats rock. But I wanted mine to be stylized, that's why mine has a few operators and then end L's. Make sure you end your lines with a semicolon, because that's what actually ends the line. Then, I put each choice equals a number 1 through 3, such as rock equals 1, paper equals 2, and scissors equals 3. You can choose whatever order you want, but it won't work if they aren't kept consistent throughout the string. Okay, so now we are getting into the actual coding part of the assignment. So, I chose to use nested if-else statements. You could use while loops, but I use them later. Doing one together, as you can see, we start with if x is equal to 1, followed by an open brace. In this brace, we put cout, you chose rock, so that when the player chooses 1, the console will display, you chose rock. We then put a closing brace, followed by else on the next line. After putting another open brace on the next line, the cycle continues, but increasing in the number with the corresponding values and cout. This stops at 3, where after putting the next else, you can put something like error invalid number. After that, close all braces except for the main string. Now we need the randomizer, which is done by the srand function. I use this in the how many fingers assignment. Check the top right corner for a card or a link in the description if I remember. We put srand time null followed by y is equal to rand %, 3 plus 1, so that there's a range of 3 starting at 1. We then put the same if-else cycle, only changing u for something like CPU and changing all x's to y's. I put a few cout and l's to give some space between this previous part and the next section. Finally, we get to the situations. We need a while loop, or an if-else loop if you do it right, for each possible outcome. This includes a tie. Thankfully, invalid numbers are not needed to be done, as the loop will not run if the value does not work, just ending the game. Let's do one of the loops together. While x is 1 and y is 2, CPU wins. This is written as while x == 1 and y == 2, open brace, cout, operator, CPU wins, semicolon, followed by a break statement and a closing bracket. All possible combinations are x is equal to y, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Make sure the winners are defined in each of the following rules above. Lastly, put in a return 0 and finish the string with a closed brace. Future Noah forgot to actually have the variables assigned. Whoops. Now we need to assign our variables. This is the easiest part of the assignment. Decide what you want to represent each player. In my case, the player is X, CPU is Y, and then put int variable 1, comma, variable 2, semicolon. Make sure you put after a CIN operator X to have the player enter a value. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Just whatever you do, do not subscribe to plants. See everybody.